The subtraction is you are taking away. For example, let's say you have 4 chalks, right? You have 4 pieces of chalks. Show it to me, and I take away 2 chalks. Then how many do you have left?
2.
2. So this is called subtraction. Subtraction is taking away. You have something and you take away something, and whatever were the remaining, that is the result. So that is called subtraction. So let's say you have so you had 7 lollipops, right?
No lollipop anymore.
No lollipop anymore. Then what do you want?
I want some candy cane.
Candy cane. Okay, let's say you had 7 candy canes.
No, I said 10.
10. Okay, you had
10.
now.
No, not candy cane.
You
No,
had some-
10 books.
10 book. Okay, you had 10 books. I'll draw 10 books first. Okay, so there are
10
books.
books.
So you see there are 10 books here, but how many books are green?
3 books.
Three.
Are green.
3 books are green. So if I take away 3 green books, give the 3 green books to me. 1,
2.
2,
The green one.
green one.
That's
So
the
you gave 3
Wow.
green books to
you.
Baba. How many books do you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many books do you have?
7.
7. So the result is
7.
so now we have 7 lollipops. You ate 4 lollipops. So first draw 7 lollipops here. Eat 4 lollipops.
1,
2, 3.
4.
How many do you have left?
1, 2,
3. So you have 3 lollipops left. So write 3. So we are done for today. Okay. Say bye to everyone.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Khuda Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Koda